form a magic circle. And then chain 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simply pull the tip of the yarn and slip stitch on the first chain. Paano po ba mag-increase ng circle? Simply just add 2 chain po sa next stitch. Ayan, 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet on the next chain. 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and again 1 single crochet on the same stitch. 1 single crochet on the next, and then 2 single crochet on the next. Dalawa pong single crochet on the next. Ayan, repeated lang po siya para po man-increase yung circle. Same po sa next round. Yung next round po ay ganun din po. 1 single crochet on the first and second chain, and then on the third chain, 2 single crochet. Ayan, repeated po siya hanggang yung circle po ay lalaki. Thank you for watching.